It's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry.
Hey guys.
Not all blow bars are the same.
Huh, it's not running.
What's up, Donnie?
Oh, hey guys.
So, what's going on with Big Blue? I mean, don't mean me. I mean the machine. It's not running.
Yeah, no, I had to order some blow bars. My dealer has them in stock.
From the winter inspection, huh?
Yeah.
I smell a deal. How are you doing, Dennis?
It's Donnie.
That's what I said, Ronnie. I got a blow bar for you.
Okay.
Oh, yes, we do. Here we go. Oh, it's so nice. Here, hold that for me.
Okay.
I even have one with ceramic inserts.
All right, let's see it.
All right. So, Donald, what do you want? With or without ceramic inserts?
Well, I mean, just looking at these, they already look long, man. How are we gonna guarantee that fit?
Well, my friend, we go out to your machine, we size them, shave a little off, make sure they fit nice and snug, my friend.
All related.
Okay, but I mean, they even look slightly thin.
Yeah, they got a nice, lightweight, compact design to get right into your machine.
Yeah, but I mean, if that fit's not exactly right, we're talking about wedges, rotor, and cheek plates getting worn, man.
Yeah, but the cost is there. The cost, the lack of metals, savings in money, Donnie.
Yeah, but downtime and parts are more expensive for the others. The blow bars are a lot cheaper than the other parts we're talking about.
Donnie, all blow bars are the same. You're just breaking rocks.
No, I don't think all blow bars are built the same, man. Ooh.
That's some weight.
Yeah, that sounded heavy, man.
Yeah, look at that.
What's up, Donnie?
Hey, man, how's it going?
What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
How's it going?
I'm pretty good. How y'all doing?
Doing good.
How's the family?
They're doing well, man.
That's great. Who's the weirdo? Never mind. I have your blow bars.
Thanks, man. I'm glad you had them in stock.
What? Donnie, here, take this. Feel them. They're amazing. Let me just show you the differences here. Just let me grab one real quick here. Oh, God. Oh, hold on, just a second.
Dang, I'm getting
Let me
tired of
get
this.
real quick. Whoa.
Jeez.
Took care of that problem.
Oh, yeah, I don't need that.
It's my boy, Blue.
Hey, Donnie, do you need help installing that?
Yeah, let's go remove the old ones, man.
Let's get this done.